Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Madalina and today on Sabrissimo we will making Oreo truffles. In this video I am sharing an insanely easy recipe for Oreo truffles or Oreo balls, which is an incredible delightful treat. Perfect for any occasion or whenever those sweet cravings hit. These delicious no-bake Oreo truffles are made with only 3 ingredients, so it will be a very fast recipe. I also had my little help in the kitchen. It was very easy for me. To be even faster, I do recommend starting with a food processor or a blender. We will chop very thin 28 Oreo cookies until they are transformed into fine crumbs. Hold on about 2 tablespoons of those crumbs to decorate our Oreo truffles. Move on to a larger bowl and add 160 grams of softened cream cheese. I used Philadelphia cream cheese. Using a spatula, mix the cream cheese until it's smooth and creamy before incorporate our Oreo crumbs. Toss a tablespoon of vanilla extract and stir until everything perfectly combined. You shouldn't see any lumps from the cream cheese, just a smooth Oreo butter. Now let's portion our mixture into 1 tablespoon size bowl, around 20 to 25 grams each. Roll them gently between your palms and create a smooth truffle. They might be a bit soft at this point, so pop them in the freezer for about 15 minutes before we dip them in chocolate. In the meantime, we are going to melt 120 grams of dark chocolate and 120 grams of white one. I am just going to melt them into the microwave for 30-second bursts at a time, mixing between each burst until they are fully melted. For a perfect shiny look, you can add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. My favorite method for coating is with the help of a skewer. We pierce the ball and dip them in melted chocolate. Take a fork and pull the skewer out and push it back onto the baking sheet. The chocolate will set quickly, so if you want to decorate with the reserve Oreo crumbs or some caramelized nuts, do it right away. Once you are finished coating the Oreo balls in chocolate, it is time to add your preferred decoration. I personally prefer using melted dark chocolate to pipe onto the top. From the remaining melted chocolate, I placed around 40 grams into a piping bag. After cutting a very small opening at the tip of the piping bag, I applied the melted chocolate in a zigzag motion onto the Oreo balls. My perfect decoration is done. Now allow the chocolate to set or speed up the process. You can place them into the freezer for approximately 5 minutes. This recipe turned out incredible. Those Oreo truffles are delicious with a wonderful soft texture, almost mousse-like texture. The contrast of the smooth interior and the crispy chocolate shell, it's simply delightful. Surprisingly, this fantastic outcome came from only using 3 ingredients. So if you try this recipe, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section. Until next video, happy cooking!